tell y'all what I just did. These streets is real stay slippery. I just canceled that order. I just canceled that order. They can give it to somebody else. I'm going home. My car sliding and carrying on. Nah, I ain't that deep. Nope, not for me. I am going home. These streets is bad. They slippery. Fire department out here already. Fire trucks. Right where I was supposed to go. I ain't doing it. I ain't doing it. I'm taking Richmond. I'm on Richmond. Going straight on over. Take my time. And I'm going to the house. I ain't playing. I'm good. Well, whatever it is, it must be pretty bad, cause here come a fire department. An ambulance, 2 police cars. Traffic is moving slow. My thing is, y'all knew this was coming. I ain't rolled over no salt. I have not rolled over. You know how you can tell when they done salted the street, they done put salt down. Let me tell you something. I ain't rolled over no salt yet. And where I'm at, it's like little slight hills. You know, the street, like little slight hill. Because of that, the traffic, we going slow. I don't care. Hey, y'all. Can y'all guess where I'm at? You see that yellow orange seat behind me? Can you guess where I'm at? See that hair? Let's go home and take it out. Let's go wash my hair. Oh, y'all see the double D's. I see the double D's. Look at that. It is sneering. That's my life right now. But it's cool. Because your girl is, bam, it makes everything good. I decided I was on the phone, that's what I was doing. And I pulled up in Dunkin' Donuts to give me another cup of coffee. Well, I shouldn't have had two before I go home. But I came and got me one to take home with so I can drink it while I'm watching my movie. Cause I'm about to go home. It's all early. I don't even want to go home. That's why I'm sitting in here. That's probably why I'm sitting here. I got me a donut. And I figured out I gotta go get some windshield wipers. Cause they starting to screech. When they go back and forth, they ain't moving the water. I'm like, we can't have that. We can't have that. So I'm gonna go get me some, when I leave out of here, go get me some windshield wipers before I go home. Yeah. But I just want y'all to see. That's my life right now. I'm like the airplanes. I'm grounded. No. Hey, y'all, guess what? I came home and I started watching one of the games, and at 5 o'clock watched that foolery stuff from what the president was talking about. But let me show y'all what's going on. Look at that. Look at all that foolery. And it's still snowing. It's still snowing. I ain't having it. I came home and laid down. I ain't go out there. I wasn't driving. I did 1.5 deliveries from Uber. Yeah. One I canceled. This streets was bad. I still had to go across this long street to get there to pick up the food. But my daughter been out there, man. It's like 5:30, and she been out there. She making her money, and she where she was at, the streets wasn't that bad at first, but now they done got bad. She keeps saying they drivable. I'm like, yeah, that mean that they bad, because you ain't saying that they ain't bad. So I'm just in the house now, washing clothes, getting ready to put up my groceries. And I got like 2 little projects that I want to do. And I wanted to make that ring light. I got on my tank top. Sorry about that. But I'm about to jump on my treadmill before I do anything. Because I told myself I was going to get on that doggone thing and do a workout. Oh. So I'm going to do that. So this has been a very boring day. But you know what? Sometimes you need to be bored. I need to be bored, so I don't be out there spending all this money. I need to put up this food, and I am gonna take my hair down. I'm still gonna do that. So I still ain't decided whether or not I'm gonna get my hair cut or let it grow. See, it's growing. I want it, and I let it grow, and I ain't go to the barbershop for a whole month purposely. Because I keep saying I want it to grow back, and then I say I don't. So I'm confused. I'm put my singles in there, and then I'll see what it look like. I'll see what it look like. I'll see what it look like. So, dang. I really wanted to do my the ring light. I was supposed to go to Walmart and get no. Oh, you know what? I was at Home Depot, and I should have got that the round thing that it goes on. I probably could have got that and the lights from Home Depot. Oh well, I messed that up. I didn't even think about it while I was there. I seen on YouTube how you can make a ring light. So I was gonna DIY a ring light, see how it is, before I spend all that money on it. Cause they only paid like I think $25 for their stuff. So I'm gonna make it and record. Oh, I keep yawning. It ain't time to go to sleep. I'm gonna make it and record it so y'all can see how I made it. Yeah. So, I'm gonna go ahead and go put these clothes in the dryer because I know my little half hour thing's been up. And probably in like an hour, eat my Chick-fil-A, my salad, and yeah. So it's gonna be a boring day. I know I said I was going to take y'all along. I was going to take y'all along with me when I did Uber, but look, it was like the weather was not going to allow me. You know, other people think it's worth it, making that money, making that little money. But I only did one order, right? And when I got home, before I got home, I only got paid like $4 and some change for the order. I was like, I am not about to be out here rusting my car. $4 here, $4 there, $5, $6. No, no, ma'am, no, sir. But when I got home, it was when I turned my app off. I guess they added the promotion or whatever. So it was $8. It was $8 and 4 cents, something like that. So I guess they was adding. Well, the promotion that was going on was 1 point something, and maybe I got a tip. I don't know. I gotta look through it. But yeah, my daughter, she cleaning up, but she ain't driving for Uber. She driving for, no, she driving for both of them, Uber and um Uber and DoorDash, and she says she out there cleaning house. I'm like, go ahead, girl. Make that money, but they gotta clean them streets before I'm gonna get out there and be. I slid one time. It was like, nope, I'm gonna want you to heat up, cause I ain't see no trucks. I saw one truck when I was sitting in Dunkin' Donuts. One salt truck, and that came from Willoughby. Came up and went back. I ain't see it no more. When I came home, I think I heard one out there. But let me tell you something. Them streets out there is white. And she need to get her butt in the house somewhere, because they supposed to be taking these kids down to Disney on Ice, and it's downtown. So I hope they just be safe going down there. But yeah, so I'm gonna get my clothes. We'll see where the rest of this video goes, because I ain't really doing nothing. Nothing. Nope. Nothing. All right, y'all. I'm gonna holler at y'all at another time. But I'm gonna edit my closet videos, and I'm gonna throw them up too. So holler at y'all later. Peace to the Middle East. Y'all be getting ready to go to church tomorrow. Everybody, since you're in the house, watch y'all a good movie, but get yourselves, hopefully the weather is permitting. Shoot. So we'll see ya when we see ya.